This will be a video tutorial on how to disable or enable notifications on the YouTube app using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone opened up now. To enable or disable notifications on the YouTube app on an iPhone, first thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner and tap on your profile icon. Then you want to scroll down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. And from here, right in this area right here, Notifications, you want to tap on that. And right up here, you see I have my notifications turned off, but if you tap on that, it will take you over to your phone settings, and you can see right here notifications. I'm going to tap on that now, and here you toggle it on or off. That is on, that is off. That is how you enable or disable notifications on the YouTube app using an iPhone. Thanks for watching.